Hi, my name is Chaitanya. I'm a postgraduate from IIT Roorkee and having 19 years of experience in IT industry. And I also train people in Python and data science. So today I just came up with some interesting question in front of you, which is going to highlight the smartness of Python coding. Okay, let us see what is the problem or the required output that we are going to see. So this is the description of the story and where we need to write a code for this. Here there is a famous Indian director who wants to shoot a new movie with one heroine and one hero. Okay, so these are the available list of heroes and these are the available list of heroines for his new movie. And according to a famous astrologer, the new movie who is going to shoot by new director or famous director, he is going to break all his existing hit records in the movie cine industry, if and only if the following three conditions met. What are the three conditions? If the score of the hero should be greater than 94. If you see the hero's information, the hero name along with the popularity score is mentioned here in the heroes database, and the heroine database also there is a heroine name mentioned with the popularity score. The score of the hero should be greater than 94 and the heroine score popularity score should be greater than 92, and the both hero and heroine name should start with the same letter. If these three conditions are met, as per the astrologer, the new movie whatever is going to shoot by new famous director, that is going to break all the hit records in the cine industry. That is what the astrologer said. So according to this, and new director who is going to make a new movie, he wants to find out all the hit combinations. Okay, so this is our problem and we need to write a code for this to find out all the hit pairs according to these three conditions. So these are the two informations, heroes information, name along with the popularity score, and I'm just going to write a new code for this. So this is the information of hero and heroine, okay, as per availability to a new director or famous director. Heroes information, hero's name and their popularity score. Okay, accordingly the heroine's score, names and heroine score. Okay, so now I ask my friend, okay, write a code for this to find the hit combinations. So according to my friend, he wrote a right combination, he wrote a code, okay, which is going to find the hit combinations. If I see the code, when my friend comes to me, okay, I wrote a code, then you just see the code, is going to give the correct output or not? Yes, this is going to give a correct output because he has implemented the logic of the three conditions. What are the three conditions? First, he is going to iterate through each and every item in the hero's information, like hero name and hero score. If the hero score is greater than 94, then only he is iterating the each and every heroine's information. So heroine name and heroine score. And if the heroine score is also greater than 92 and the hero's name is, first letter of the hero's name is equal to the first letter of the heroine name, then that is he is noting down all those hit combinations and saving the all hit combinations in the hit combinations list. And finally he is printing the combinations of the hit pairs. So it is good, there is no problem, and he is getting the exact output. But when he asked me, is the code looks good to me, then I said no, this code is not looks good to me, because there is a smart way to write or to highlight the Python's coding smartness. Okay, there is a concept called comprehensions. Okay, now using this program we are going to the comprehensions present in Python very deep level. Okay, how I can able to write the same lines of code within 2 lines to get the same output using the comprehensions. Let us see that. Okay, I am just going to write a comprehension, list comprehension, okay, which is going to save my all hit combinations, hit pairs. First I am iterating to each and every pair. Okay, hero name, hero score, in heroes dot items. So heroes is nothing but a dictionary, and I am iterating through each and every element in the dictionary, and which is always returning me a element of tuple form. The first element is nothing but the key of the dictionary, and the second element is nothing but the value of the dictionary. And with each and every element I am iterating through the elements of the heroes dictionary, I am passing if condition if hero score is greater than 94. Okay, and if this is satisfied, I'm iterating the list of heroines actually, and heroine name, heroine score. In heroines dot items. And one more condition is that the same condition whatever he mentioned here, I am just utilizing the same condition here. So if the heroine score is greater than 92 and the first letter of the hero's name equal to the first letter of heroine's name without the case sensitive. That's why I just mentioned as upper and upper here. So if these conditions are satisfied, then what I need to do, I need just making a new hit pair. What is the hit pair name? I just wanted to make the hit pair as the hero name and as well as heroine name. This is my hit pair, and this is the entire list, this is the list comprehension, and this list comprehension for me to create a new list, and I am saving that list in the new combos. And this is my new combos, and after this I am just printing for each and every combination, for each combo in hit combos, print each combo. So I just executed the same lines of code in 2 lines of code, and which is going to give me the same result. See the power of comprehensions in Python, which is the only concept available in Python only, and this comprehensions kind of concept is not available in any other programming languages called Java, .NET, C++, or any other OOPS concept oriented programming languages. Hope is it clear everyone? Thank you. Thanks for everyone. Bye bye.